Hi, my name is Diane Barrett. Welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to look at examining virtual environments. A little bit about me. I have been working with virtual environments for quite a few years now. I perform forensic examinations for a local company here. We do mostly civil work, and I am very active in education and training. In today's demo, we are going to locate a virtual environment on a suspect drive. We're going to export it, and then we're going to forensically mount it. The application that we're going to use to examine our environment is Parabens P2 Commander. Inside of the application here, I have a suspect drive loaded, and as you can see, underneath my Windows Server 2003 directory, I have a VHD file. A VHD file is a Microsoft Virtual PC virtual hard disk. So what this means is that on this suspect drive, there is a virtual environment here inside of the drive that needs to be loaded so that we can examine it. Notice here under type, it shows unknown format. Most forensic software will show your virtual environments as unknown formats simply because your virtual environments are nothing more than a flat file. So in order to examine this, what we need to do is export it. So we'll right click and then export it. Now I've already exported this environment out simply because it's a 4 gig drive and it would take a little while for it to export. But once the drive is exported, then you can either re-import it back in as a separate drive or use a forensic tool to mount and examine it. And in this case here, we are going to use Parabens Forensic Replicator. So I'm going to open up or mount the exported file. And as you can see, it mounts the environment now, and I can go through and I can look at any documents, I can look at any program files, I can look at any system files, anything else that is loaded inside of that environment. If you notice here in the modified column, you'll see that the last time that these files were touched was on 9/17/2009. So this tells me that the process that we used was forensically safe. It did not alter any information or touch any information on that drive as it exported it and then mounted it for viewing. So the process for when you run into a virtual environment is, will you locate it, export it out, and then mount it in a forensically safe way so that you can examine the environment itself without altering any of the data. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.